Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A7 in the version of 2018. So first of all, you could do it with the buttons. So if you use the power button and the volume down button, press these both buttons for the same time and you have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time and you will have a screenshot. After you're able to crop it, to edit it and so on, to share it and so on. Okay, there's a second way to do that. So with that you swipe with the edge of your hand over the screen like this and you will have a screenshot as well. One more time, swipe down like this on the screen and you will have a screenshot. Yeah. After you will find the screenshots at the gallery, so here also all the screenshots next to the photos, but you have also an own category at the albums named screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again and maybe until next time. Ciao.